Baking with herbs, a flavorful journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring the phrase, bake with herbs. This phrase is not just about cooking, but also a wonderful example of how English integrates specific actions and ingredients. Let's dive in and understand what it means to bake with herbs. Bake with herbs combines two key concepts, baking and using herbs. Baking is a method of cooking food using prolonged dry heat, usually in an oven. It's a popular technique for making bread, cakes, pastries, and other delicacies. On the other hand, herbs refer to plants with savory or aromatic properties, used for flavoring food. Common herbs include basil, thyme, rosemary, and parsley. Baking with herbs adds extra flavor and aroma to your dishes. Herbs can transform a simple recipe into something extraordinary. They complement other ingredients and can make baked goods healthier and more appetizing. For English language learners, understanding such phrases helps in grasping culinary culture and language nuances. Let's look at some examples. 1. Herb-infused bread. Adding rosemary or thyme to bread dough enhances its flavor. 2. Savory muffins. Incorporating herbs like basil into muffins creates a delightful savory snack. 3. Herbed cookies. Unusual, but adding a hint of lavender to cookies can be surprisingly delicious. Interestingly, bake with herbs can also have an idiomatic meaning in English. It can imply doing something with extra care or adding a special touch to an ordinary task, much like adding herbs elevates a dish. Thank you for joining us in exploring Bake with Herbs. We hope this video enhances your understanding of English phrases in a fun and flavorful way. Happy learning and happy baking!